What's going on? My name is Reginald Cuthbert. Most people call me Mr. C. But this is your Toolbox Tutors Math Session. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're returning and you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Today, we'll be discussing how to solve linear systems using the graphing method. And I'll walk you through step by step on how to solve this example using the graphing method. So for this example, we'll be looking at the system negative 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. And y equals x plus 1. We'll begin with our purple function. With this one's not in slope-intercept form. Remember, when we're going to slope-intercept form, what we want to do is get y on the side by itself, meaning we need to move everything else away from it. First, we'll start with this negative 3x. So this negative 3x So to get rid of this negative 3x, we're going to do the opposite of subtracting 3x, which is adding 3x. So now these 3x's cancel out on the left side of the equal sign. We can bring down our 5y. We have our equal sign. And negative 5 plus 3x, those are not like terms. So what we'll do is just bring down these terms and leave it like this. 3x. Oh, write this a little bit neater. 3x. Now that we have 5y equals 3x minus 5, we still need to get rid of this 5 from in front of this y. To get rid of this, 5 and y beside each other means we're multiplying. So the opposite of multiplying by 5 would be dividing by 5. Now, when we divide by 5, we don't just divide the 3 by 5. We also divide this negative 5 by 5. So now we have 5y divided by 5 gives us y. 3x divided by 5 gives us 3 over 5x, since this doesn't come out as a whole number. And negative 5 divided by 5 gives you negative 1. So now we have our first linear function in slope-intercept form. From here, we can use our y-intercept, which is negative 1, and it will have it as the point. Use a different color so it won't be so jumbled together. This will be 0, negative 1. That'll be our first point, and it'll go here, since this is our y-intercept. And our slope would be 3 over 5. So we have 3 over 5. They're both positive. Positive 3 tells us to go up on top. Positive 5 on the bottom tells us to go to the right. So from here, we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, we can't go up 3 and right 5 anymore. So what we can do is take positive 3 over positive 5 and switch it to negative 3 over negative 5. So negative 3 tells us to go down. Negative 5 on the bottom tells us to go to the left. So from here, we go 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have our 3 points for this first linear function. Now we can graph the second one, y equals x plus 1. So from here, this one is already in slope-intercept form. So what we can do is just identify our y-intercept and our slope and find a point where these two lines cross, and we'll have our answer. So our y-intercept is 0, 1. This will be 0, positive 1 is here. And our y-intercept is 1, since there's a 1 in front of this x. And to make this a fraction, we put it over 1. So this tells us to go 1 up, 1 right. So from here, we go 1 up, 1 right. Y-intercept go up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. And notice that these points are going farther away from the red, so I'm pretty sure the answer is not going to be this way. So now what we can do is switch the slope from 1 up, 1 right to negative 1 over negative 1, which is negative 1 tells us to go down, -1 tells us also to go left on the bottom. So down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. And notice that these two lines have this point in common. So now this is our solution. From here, we just need to identify the point. So starting at 0, 0, we go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we go to the left 5, which is negative. So that's -5. And then we also go 1, 2, 3, 4 down, which is -4. And this will be our solution. -5, -4. Thanks for watching our video. If this helps you out any, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to get more updates on when future content is coming out, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. If you have any suggestions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, have a good one.